What's up guys, I'm KB Kwan from Taste of Asian Food. Liang Pi or cold skin noodles is a popular noodle dish from northwest China, commonly served cold instead of hot noodle dish. Now Liang Pi has a unique slippery and springy texture and is absolutely delicious when dressed with a concoction of chili oil, black vinegar, sesame seeds, some crunchy vegetables such as cucumbers and bean sprouts. I make it with the starch water left from making seitan, sesame mock meat in my previous video. Please refer to that videos on how I get the starchy water that I used to make Liang Pi today, and I left the link in the description below. Now, let's get back into the details of how to make Liang Pi. This video is the continuation from what was left behind after I washed the flour with plenty of water during the process of making seitan, that is the vegan meat. You can check out the video how to make the seitan, which I will leave the link in the description below the video. I used the starchy water to make Liang Pi today. In other words, nothing is wasted. Carefully pour away as much water as possible on the top layer. Stir to loosen the starch that sinks to the bottom. It's too thick to use as the batter for making Liang Pi now, so I need to add some more water to the batter. I measure 400 grams of the thick batter to another container. Seasoned with half a teaspoon of salt. And then add a total of 200 ml of cold water. And that's the consistency of the batter that I want to use it to make Liang Pi. Filter the batter through a wire mesh strainer to remove any lumps that may exist. Then apply some oil to the surface of a shallow pan, preferably a non-stick pan. Add the starch water sufficiently to fill the pan to form a thin layer. The amount of the batter really depends on the size of the ladles that you use and also the size of the pan. For this case, I used 1.5 ladles for my 8x8 square pan, which produce a perfect thickness about 1/8 inch. Bring the water in the wok to a boil and then steam for 2 minutes over high heat. Remove the cooked Liang Pi immediately and transfer it to cold water bath to cool it quickly. When it's cold, remove it from the water bath and put it onto the cutting board. Apply some oil to the surface of the Liang Pi. That's to make sure it will not stick together when you stack it up. Remove the Liang Pi from the pan and then stack it up. Cut a sheet of cold noodles with a sharp knife or a dough cutter into about 1.5 cm wide. Liang pi is served cold with a dressing consists of the following ingredients. Chili oil. I'm using the store-bought famous brand Lao Ganma. Black vinegar. Light soy sauce. Sesame oil. Sugar. Cornstarch. Chopped garlic. And then mix it thoroughly. That's the dressing for liang pi. To serve, put the liang pi in a bowl or a plate, drizzle the dressing on it, and then add some bean sprouts, some mock chicken meat that I made earlier, or you can use the real meat if you want, cucumber, toasted sesame seeds, some coriander leaves, red chili, mix, and it is ready to serve. That's how to make liang pi, aka cold skin noodles. If you like these videos, please subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.